My video is about getting rid of pop-ups that tell this pretty scary message that says Helper Update Agent will damage your computer. You should move it to the trash. This pop-up actually means that there is certain adware installer in your Mac that tries to install itself. The good thing is that your current Mac OS version and its security was able to block the installation of this adware, so it gave you this message. It actually prevented this adware from being installed, which is of course a very good thing. Now, often these pop-ups and the adware installers penetrate into computers as a result of some fake Adobe Flash Player updates. Some people might see strange alerts instructing them to implement updates for the Adobe Flash Player, and unfortunately there are some computers that were affected by a lot of potentially unwanted programs because of that. So if you see these pop-ups in your screen, of course you should click Move to Trash. And another important step is that you carefully research your available Mac applications. If you find something suspicious here in the list, remove it immediately. Also, my strong recommendation is that you carefully research your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So after the application is downloaded, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. The program is initially in the trial mode, even though it has got some free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So wait until the scanning is over to see the report. At the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program will give you the detailed report about the kinds of threats that were found during the scan and about their location. You may go to the antivirus section and click on the link that says Review Results. So the program will have a list of all threats found during the scan. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of threads in Finder. You may right-click on each thread and get rid of it manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically. And you may click on the support button, which will lead you to a special page where you'll be able to specify your requests, including the requests about getting the free trial key for Combo Cleaner with limited functionality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more detailed instructions on malware removal from Mac.